Hello, this is the Employee Appraisal Management application built in Zoho Creator. The goal of the system is simple: remove subjectivity, reduce manual effects, and standardize performance evaluation across the organization. Instead of ad hoc reviews and Excel-based tracking, this application connects employee, KPIs, scores, bonus into one structured workflow. First, all the employees are maintained in a central employee master where we will store details like designation, department, role, location, and the joining date with the names. Next, we have KPI masters. Each designation like accountant, manager, or operation lead has its own predefined KPIs along with target scores and weightage percentage. So this ensures the performance is evaluated based on the role relevance, not generic criteria. So here, one designation have different types of KPI and other designation have different set of KPIs. So this avoids one size and fits all evaluation. So every month we will run a schedule to identify the active employees and read their designation and pull the related KPIs from the KPI master and automatically create a scoring sheet for each employee. So if a particular designation have 10 KPIs, the system creates 10 records for that particular employee pre-filled with KPI name, target score, weightage, and the employee name. So management only need to enter the obtained score. So once the scoring sheets are generated for all the employees, management will review each employee's scoring sheet using this pending scoring report and then record the achieved score for every KPI for every employee using this form. So where they can enter the actual achieved score for each KPIs. So there is no manual KPI assignment, no duplication, and no risk of missing KPIs. We have also created a dedicated module to update bonus for each employee in the report called Pending Bonus Update. On the bonus update button action, the management update the bonus for every employee for every quarter based on their previous KPI scores. Bonus eligibilities and amounts are calculated automatically. So this removes the arbitrary bonus decision and makes the process transparent and data driven. And then once the bonus is updated, an email notification will be sent to the user regarding the bonus details. So performance directly linked to reward without manual calculations. We have also created a dedicated dashboard for the management to get a complete overview of this appraisal process. From this dashboard, management can quickly view the key metrics such as number of pending bonus, completed bonus details, average KPI scores, and the pending appraisal information. We have included a bar chart to clearly show the average KPI scores achieved across different employee categories, making it easy to compare performance at a glance. In addition to this, there is a chart that highlights the highest KPI score achievers over the last 3 months, helping management to identify the key performers. We have also provided an option to directly view the list of employees whose appraisals are currently pending, so the follow-ups and reviews can be managed efficiently. So now coming to the performance appraisal form. This is the form where we will capture the final appraisal cycle details. At the top, we capture the team member name, department, position, etc. Then we have a qualitative assessment where the manager rates the performance on a scale of 1 to 5, providing employer and manager remarks. So this balances the quantitative KPI scores with qualitative feedback. Next, we will capture the employee goals, learnings from the previous cycle, objective for the next review period with defined time frames. So this ensures appraisal is not just about the past, but also for the future improvement and accountability. Finally, we have manager comments, employee comments, and current remuneration and other details. Everything required for a complete appraisal is captured in a one structured record. So once the appraisal is completed, we provide a report level button action With a single click, the complete appraisal data is exported directly to the Google Sheet. So based on the employees' ratings reviews, relevant color coding is automatically applied to the corresponding columns, making performance insight instantly visible. This enables management and HR to analyze the data efficiently, share it securely, and download it as an Excel file. There is no manual copy-paste or no additional formatting required. The sheet generated is clean, structured format, exactly as needed for reporting. Overall, this application standardizes the performance evaluation, automates KPI scorings, links performance directly to the bonus calculation, maintains a complete audit trail, and integrates seamlessly with Google Sheet for reporting. So it significantly reduces the HR effort while improving fairness, transparency, and accuracy in employee appraisal. Thank you.